Landon, first off, thank you for the great content. Is there a reason you seem to lean towards the new skis over buying a used older ski for beginner riders? Maybe an early 4-stroke or a newer 2-stroke. Um, the newer 2-strokes, like, oh, dude, if you could get your hands on a GP 1300R, dude, it's a rocket ship. They're rockets, and I wouldn't put a newbie on that ski. Would I put a newbie on a GTX or an STXR? No. Would I put him on a GP 1300R? No. I mean, would I put him on like, an Ultra 150? Yeah, okay. But the problem is that a lot of new buyers, the idea of a 2-stroke and leaving the snail trail in the water makes them reel in horror. So most people who are getting into watercraft are a little bit more eco-friendly, and so they would want a 2-stroke. I mean, an FX 140, sure, there's a million of them. I mean, VXs, VX 1100s, holy crap, they're VW Beetles. A GTX, Fortec, what is it, like a 180 or a 165, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 185 was the first supercharge. So it'd be a 155, excuse me. Yeah, okay, a 155. Yeah, you can get your hands on it. But I mean, I did a video on I did a longer video where I talked about my top 5 skis, and most of them were 6 years old and older. So, most of them were. So I suggest stuff that's 10 years old a lot of times. I mean, you can get your hands on a 10-year-old GTR 215. Buy it today. I love them. So, there you go. Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.